Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. I've gotten a lot of positive comments about my presentation for my videos. And I've noticed that a lot of people are having a hard time or maybe find it difficult to make a presentation that is both pleasing and elegant and easy. So this video is about making a positive presentation. It's said you eat with your eyes first, and that is so true. It's very important that you give each person you present a plate of food before, something that's pleasing to the eye as well as pleasing to the palate. In order to do that, we have to give them first something that's pleasing to the eyes. Secondly, what we put on the plate with the food has to have meaning. It has to be a reason for it. For instance, when you put garnish on a plate, the garnish should be part of what's already in that dish. Thyme was part of the ingredients used in my chicken cacciatore and my salmon cacciatore. So of course, when I made the plate, I garnished both with fresh thyme. Third, think about the serving platter or the plate itself. Large is good because you don't want the food to be crowded on the plate and you want to have space around the border of the food. And also think of a neutral color. White is a perfect example. As you can see in some of my videos, my presentation, I have a red plate, but I do have white platters. Fourth, think of your setup. If you're serving a plate of food before somebody, it should have the clock set up. At 10 o'clock, you have your starches. At 2 o'clock on the clock, you have your proteins leaning against the starch. And then at 6 o'clock, you have your vegetables. For the height part, I would say that you would put your bowl or your platter on a riser or make your own riser. Take a bowl, place it upside down, place a napkin or a tablecloth on top of it, and place that platter on top of that riser. 5. Design and color. By that I mean make sure all the food on your plate is not one color. Don't make it monotone. Don't have mashed potatoes with gravy and rice, white rice. For design, I would drizzle some lines of raspberry syrup or chocolate syrup on a plate and place a cheesecake or a cake on top of that. For an entree item, what I would do is place some puree or some gravy on a plate and place that protein on top of it. Never completely cover that protein with gravy or sauce. You want it to shine. You want it to be the star of the plate. For vegetables, I would place also a puree down, smear it, place the vegetables on top of that, or definitely place the vegetables on top. Now those are my tips for making a great presentation. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this content, please give me a like. That's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new videos. And please come back to see what I have next on this channel. As always, try to be the blessing to someone. If you're at the supermarket and the person ahead of you is short a few dollars, pay that for them. If you're in line at a drive-thru, pay for the person right behind you. Be the blessing. As always, as I part, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you next time.